Alright, so you're welcome to the third lesson. So in this lesson, we're going to talk about how to perform calculations. The previous video we talked about. If you don't watch the previous video, please, it's very important that you watch that so that you can understand what I'm going to do here. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to perform calculations. We're going to talk about how to create a worksheet formula using mathematical formulas and using formula. In the previous video, we used a mathematical formula, but in this video, we are going to broaden the aspect of using that same formula to perform some tasks. So let's go ahead to get that done. So I'm going to go back to my Excel. So this is my Excel now. Then I clean it up. Like I showed you the other time, remember the video we're going to do, we're trying to create worksheet formula and we use what formulas. So let's try to do that. So I assume I have a name. I can put a name here, name of student. You can then put serial number here. Serial number. Sorry. Serial number. Okay. The student. Then I can put them put as different subjects. I put maths. I put English. I put algebra. Then I put languages. Let's say artwork. And then I put science. Then I put physics. Remember, I'm just basically I'm just trying an example. This is an example class, so don't be worried about how I put the names. So what I'm going to do now, these are the serial names. I can put 1, or I can put 001, 001. Let's say 005, 002, 00. I'm not assuming that a matrix number. This is 11. This one is 23. This one is 21. This one is 22. This one is 45. This one is 12. Okay, so I'm using about 10 names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now let's use the names. Let me put in Godfrey. Then the second one I'm putting Michael. The third one I'm putting Mike. I'm putting Miriam. Then I'm putting Bro. Then I'm putting Tunji. I'm putting but then I'm trying to think about them. I can think of Victor, Daniel, and then Musin, and then I put Bio. Okay, now these are different student names. These are different student names. Then add the scores. Let's give them some score. Let's say over 40. Let's say over 40. Okay, what is the score? This one is 37. This one is 23. This one scored 21. This one scored 12. This one scores over 40. So we have let's say this one scored 29. This one scored 40. Yeah, very good ones. So this one scored 32, 34. Another one scored 32, and this one scored 23. So let's do for the English score. Over 40, all the exam score are 40. So over 40, you have 23, you have 24, you have 25, you have 23, you have 29, you have 27, you have 35, you have 24, you have 39. Wow. Then for the algebra classes, we have 35, 32, 34, 25, 14, 25, 36, 11, and 29. Then for the aggregate classes, we have 24. So just give your own number there. Just put your own score. Okay, in agriculture science, we have different score there. I'm putting different score there. Okay, then for the physics class, we have different score. I'm sorry, now 25, then 32. Okay, now we have all the different scores there for the different students. These are the names of the students. These are the different exams or probably tests that they took, English, algebra, and so on and so forth. Then these are the scores for each of the students, and these are the different, let's say, these are different matricule numbers that they had. So now we want to calculate the total. Oh, I didn't put the score here. Then I'm giving 12, I'm giving 25. I think I like the 23. Okay, now I'm going to put the total score here. The total score. Then we put the average score here. The total score, then put the average here. Then this place, from the average there, we now know who passes and who fails, or who is going to the next class and who is not going. So we have the data score here, you have the average, and then the total score is going to be for Godfrey. You're going to start from what? C3. You can see T3. Look at the top of C3. You can see now the score for Godfrey is going to start from what? C3, Chi what? H3. So we come here and put is equal to, remember, C3 sum, put sum into bracket, into bracket, C3, T what did it end? It end at what? H3 for Godfrey. So we have H3. And press enter. Now, instead of coming down here and typing it equal to sum of what? C4 into bracket open, C4 to C to H4. Now, what about if I have the 50 students? Will I be typing all these formulas one after the other? No, you don't have to. This is what you do. You move your mouse. Let me see how it's done. You move your mouse. You move your mouse to the edge of this calculation, the first calculation that you did. Remember, you score. You move your mouse to the edge. When you show this time, you drag that line down. You see, it will automatically calculate the next word calculation. Then you move your mouse over, don't drag it down like that. You see, it automatically calculates it. Then you move to the last one here. That's that. Now you can see now that you have done the calculation, automatically calculate the one for total score. Now for the average, you know the average, how many subjects are they taking? They are taking by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 subjects. So we're going to divide the total score by 6. That will be what the average of what the total score is. So we're going to come here and click on it equal to where the average score is what? The average score is at what? H3. This is what it is, H3. Sorry, I3. The I3 divided by 6 with the number of the subject, and click on enter. Now do the average score for each one of them. Then remember, if you want to automatically calculate, just move your cursor to the edge here. So when you show this plus sign, drag it down. Alright. So to the average score for each student. The average score for each student, you have what? 27 points, 29 points, 25, and so on and so forth. With this, you can actually know that okay, anybody that scored from 25 and above pass, or anybody that scored from anybody that scored from 27 and above pass. But we're not going to treat that one in this class, okay, because that one has to do with logical operation. So I'm going to teach you when you get to the advanced class. I'm going to teach you how to find out how to put a logical operation to sort out all this data so that you can assign whether the person failed or passed. I hope you get value for this video. Please, if you like this video, please kindly share it, like and comment. Thank you. See you in the next video in the next class. Bye for now.